TestNinja is a codeless test automation tool. Testing is an important part of the QA of any product. Automation testing makes it more reliable and fast, but we provide more, a codeless automation tool. Why codeless automation is better than programmable one? No setup time is required to create a testing framework. Requires no prior programming knowledge to operate this tool. We have proved, reproducible patterns and practices which have already been used by many companies to generate the most accurate results. Any problem faced by you will be resolved by our team. This results in boosting productivity, as a single resource can write 5 to 10 test cases within a day. Also, low maintenance, which is around 5 cents per code line, in comparison to the standard in the market that is 25 cents. How to use TestXpert? Write a codeless automation test case. Configure test environment settings. Schedule your test. View results on the web. And lastly, investigate and fix failed test cases using TestRunner. Let's see how this works. Register yourself to the platform. Fill in all the details. And click Agree and Join. You will receive your credentials by mail. Now log in with your credentials. Once you log in, you will be redirected to the application setup page. Click on Add Application. Fill in all the details. Click on Submit. Click on the dashboard to review all information. Go to Test and click on Manage Test. Now click on Add Test to add your test case. Put a title, application area, feature, user story, category, and test type as automation. Now start typing your test steps in simple English. As you can see, these test lines are written in simple English but follow some simple rules. Once you are done with test lines, click on Check Syntax to validate your test case. Click on Submit to save your test case. Now go to Test Execution. Click on Automation Test Execution. Select your environment. You can review the results of all test cases here, on the pie chart. There are various test groups. You can schedule all test and view test results from here. Click on View Test Results. All test cases in that group will open up on the right side. You can schedule test, edit test steps and view results of the test case. Click on Test Result, all the details of the test case will open up. You can see all the executed steps. Click on the image icon to open up the screenshot of that step, to verify the execution. Click on the image to enlarge it. You can review the status of the test group as Pass, In Progress, Invalid Syntax, and Fail Status. The same is available for the individual test case. Let's check a failed test case. As you can see, all your test steps are executed successfully. But the last step is not executed correctly. Click on the image to investigate the error. You can also investigate previous images. Click on Edit Steps to open syntax and repair where the step got failed. TestNinja is a very powerful tool for testers, helping in automating your test cases and increasing your productivity by 300%. TestNinja comes in with 3 components: Test Repository and Web Application. Test Editor, a desktop application for the tester to write, debug and fix test cases. Test Runner, to run and schedule test cases on server. What kind of installation it support? Cloud, hybrid, and in-house. Cloud installation. The client can access both Test Runner and Test Repository on TalentXpert environment, from his network. It is a ready-to-go setup, accessible from anywhere, good for small-scale products, simple billing with pay-as-you-go. No monthly commitment is required. Hybrid installation. Here client have to install the Test Runner on his environment, and he can access the Test Repository from our network. A small setup is required in the client environment. It is more suitable for clients' applications which are not on the internet. You will have better control over running tests. It is cost-effective with a smaller monthly commitment. In-house installation. Both the test runner and test repository will be on the client network. Full installation of the tool is required on the client network. This is suitable for the application that only run on the client network. It is more suitable for large-scale projects and multiple test cases. An update for the test repository is required. The client have full control over the tool. A fixed amount of monthly billing that is based on the number of test runs. Test runner or test editor. It is an additional Windows application for testers. You can run test cases in an interactive and incremental manner. Run your test cases in a get-go manner, write a step and run it. You can start the test from any step, no need to run the test from the first step. Let's see how this works. Log into Test Editor with your credentials. There are many functions available to you. Some main functions that you will be using are Automation Test, Add Incremental Test Step, View Executions and Logs, Search Test, Test Help. For showing how the test editor work, we are going to run a test. Type the test steps and click on Run without save. Test editor automatically finds the logic and executes the steps, all running in real time. Now for incremental function. Here you can add new steps in the continuation. Input your test step. And then click on Run Test Steps. Again, editor will run the test steps in real time. Click on Add Steps to Test to add these steps to original syntax. To understand if the test case is passed or failed, click on Search Test. Select Fail Status and click on Search. Click on Fail button to open the image-assisted format, where you can investigate the problem with screenshots. Click on the Edit button to open the test syntax. Click on any test case, and then click on Check Syntax to know if the steps are correct or not. You can also run the steps without save to see if the steps are executed correctly. Similarly, you can check the pass results of your test cases. Test Editor application is a very powerful tool that gives the tester full control over testing. There are very unique features being provided by the tool. We have unique installation, cloud, hybrid, and in-house. Test Editor is a very unique application that gives the tester full control and provides real-time feedback. Incremental test writing help you to control every step of the test case. Codeless Automation feature enables a non-programmer to use testing tool easily. The tool provides proof of execution by image-assisted screenshots. Your advantages: assured QA, faster and reliable quality assurance of user interface and user experience. Reduce your regression time by 80%. You can run 5,000 test steps in an hour. Test quality by proof of execution and reproducing bugs with screen recording. Faster product delivery. Release your product or website as frequently as you require. Higher return on investment by reducing your testing expenses by 50%. Automation testing as a service. No commitment from the client is required. Pay-as-you-go model, only pay based on your usage. Higher return on investment. Reduces your total testing expenses by 50%. Reduce your regression time by 80%. Full control over your test budget. Create your customized stoppers on tests. Very low cost of execution, costing as low as 5 cents per code line. TestNinja, a codeless automation tool. Powered by TalentXpert.